Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So today I want to talk about, it's quite embarrassing actually, but I'll still film this video and I'll put it up because that's me. I want to talk about the products that I do not throw out, and they are old and expired and I refuse to throw it out for whatever reason. So if you want to know what products I hang on to, please keep watching. So the first product that I keep and I refuse to throw out every time I do a makeup declutter is the Cargo blushes. I don't even know if tins like this still exist in Cargo. So these are like their marbled blushes and I love them. I don't use them because they are expired, but I just love how it looks in the pan. It's this like, it's got this like nice sheen, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but well, I still have a tan from my vacation, but it's got this nice like sheen to it and it's very natural, and the finish is so like fine powder, and that's what I like. So, which is why I will not throw it out. If you guys remember these like old school tins, give me a thumbs up. But I will not throw these out because these are like fantastic. The second product I will not throw out are Vice lipsticks. So if you guys remember like this old school packaging, this is like the original version of the Vice lipstick. Now, I don't see the point in throwing these out just because the formula hasn't changed when they repackaged their products. It's the same color, same formula, except in different packaging. So I really didn't see the point in buying new lipsticks or buying the new bullets if the contents inside the lipstick was still the same. You get what I mean? And not only that, but I save money too. And I love lipsticks. So it's very hard for me to throw out. And the last product that I refuse to throw out, and I think it's more like a nostalgia moment, is my Loreal Pro Palette. So, and this is a new one. I actually used up my first one and then I rebought it. And then I just never touched it since. The reason why I will not throw this out is because it was my very first big purchase when I started watching YouTube videos. So disclaimer or like quick thing about me is that I started watching YouTube videos really late into the game, like really late. And when I finally started watching YouTube videos, this was the most hyped product. And so I bought it. And then I loved it, and then I used it, and then I rebought it, and then I never used it again. But I refuse to throw it out because it like brings back great memories that this is a palette that I worked hard for and that I bought. So yeah, I do refuse to throw this out for sentimental reasons. And there you have it. Those are the products that are expired and I refuse to throw out. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click right here. Or if you want to catch me on my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.